Seaside Railway. Let's head on in. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the POV of the Seaside Railway here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, because you never know what other random railways I might film for you. Maybe I'll film the one at the Great Escape, or you know what, I'm really feeling like filming the next one I find. Love you all. Like, comment, share. Peace.